You know, if you feel lonely, if you've been able to see your friends, if you...
I've been masturbating a lot.
Oh my God, have you?
How's the coronavirus affected your social life?
It's fucking me up, to be honest, man.
It's fucking you up?
Yeah.
How has the coronavirus affected your social life? You were expecting like a math problem? How
Because
so?
like I can't go out like I used to. I feel like I'm just like locked in a lot, you know? Yeah. You see what I'm saying?
I think since I'm on a date, dating is a lot more difficult.
Oh yeah, how's dating going?
Not happening for me.
I've had this very healthy sex life.
I feel like I only really see my close friends.
Yeah, me too.
And do you miss? Does that affect you, like the lack of little
Yeah,
interaction?
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely at the
definitely.
beginning of quarantine, I was feeling like super lonely because it was definitely a lot more strict, and I like missed that socialization.
I think I enjoyed it a lot at first. Yeah, it was nice not having to be social, and then I think towards May it was like, wow, I do miss, you know, you need something every once in a while.
Like it's harder to go on dates. You feel like it's less.
Oh, it's easier. It's
easier.
It's easier because nothing is open. So I'm like, hey, either let's go to a park and hang out with my dog there, or come over to my house.
Are you longing for meeting some people to relieve yourself from the masturbation
No,
schedule?
I
Or
really like masturbating, and I don't like people.
okay, so this was maybe an opportunity to improve
My techniques?
techniques and stuff. You feel that the lack of in-person interaction is affecting your like general well-being?
Yeah, I would say, yeah. I mean, I miss being able to like hang out with coworkers.
General vibe?
Yeah, I feel like mentally it's like it does kind of fuck you up staying like indoors.
Able to see an impact on your like general like well-being, like day to day. Like, do you feel more isolated? Do you?
Yeah.
In the beginning it was worse. I thought it would be worse.
Yeah.
But we were quarantining together, so yeah, for like 2 or 3 months. Yeah, since the beginning. Yeah. So I think we were saving our lives, you know.
Where are you guys doing? Is this for like YouTube or what is this?
It is for
Fox
YouTube.
News.
Oh, are you guys like
Yeah.
YouTube? Are you guys like YouTube famous?
After this interview, I think we will. So, is this a first date, a second date, or third date? So, what are your rules? First date, distance. Second date, you hold hands. Third date, maybe you remove the mask, you kiss. Like, what's the progression?
These are good questions.
Now going on dates, like instead of like meeting up at like 9 p.m. at a bar to get a drink, you'll like go on a social distant walk in the park instead. So it's like
Have you done that?
it's like more like wholesome. I don't know.
More wholesome,
It's different.
yeah.
It's a different vibe.
Maybe
Yeah.
the second date, you can hold hands.
Yeah, maybe.
Like when quarantine first started, I was at college, so like I was like with 6 roommates. So like we just hang out with like us and our neighbors. So I started drinking a lot more than I usually do. I feel
We miss going to party.
Oh my god.
Dancing,
yeah.
I miss
The
parties.
heat.
Yeah, like a lot of people,
Yeah.
crowded. I love
Sweaty
that.
people.
Yeah.
people
Not
throwing
sweaty
beer.
Yeah.
Put your hand, it's like.
I love that. Oh my god.
I mean, I almost want my partner to like come over
Ah,
here.
okay.
in
You know what
person.
we can do? We can go interview someone else, and then we come back, and you don't tell her, and I interview, and maybe you'll see another facet of her personality. Maybe she's like, "Fuck off, I don't want to talk to you," and you'll be like, "Whoa, like, that's weird."
No, this is perfect.
You
I
want to
like
do
the
that?
idea,
You want to
yeah.
set her up?
A few moments later.
I think that I'm appreciating my friendships a little bit more than I used to.
Yeah, I basically have only seen like 3 or 4 people outside of my household for the last 4 months or so. So it's definitely like taken a hit.
Has this bird cleared some people that you don't really care about?
No, I think I actually want to encourage myself to reach out to people that I normally would forget about, because I want to make sure that they're doing okay, and I know that there's a lot of things happening right now, and I want to make sure that everybody has a place to kind of vent and talk through it.
With your mask and like your sunglasses on, there's almost no like you can't read anyone's expressions.
You can grab on. It's like
Yeah.
it's like you're just like a robot.
Yeah.
definitely like hanging out with less people, and I'm more appreciative when I hang out with people. So I definitely like miss going to bars and stuff like that. So, but yeah, whenever I do hang out with people, I'm like, damn, I kind of miss this. So I guess like going forward, I won't take that for granted.
It's really just made me appreciate my friends and just social life. I think I tended to just kind of stay home and like, you know, I wanted to continue to do that, but I'm sorry, this is distracting.
We're having an interview right now. Please.
I love it, and this is the kind of thing that I miss, to be honest. Like just seeing people in their life.
So Ethan, were you here yesterday when the street was closed down? Yeah, so I was here and I saw one of my students and I was saying hi to him and I was yelling his name, but he didn't even recognize me with my mask and my sunglasses on.
Mask and glasses.
Yeah, and so I had to take my mask off and then immediately he like knew who I was. But it made me, that was even like the extreme of realizing that people that you already have a relationship with, like he didn't even recognize me until I had taken my mask off, so.
I hope you guys are doing well. Please let me know in the comments, how has it been? How's your dating life? How's your social life? Have you been able to see your friends? Please let me know in the comments. Over here in San Francisco, things are still very quiet. Besides a few pockets in the city where you can find people, like the city is mostly empty. And I have to say that one of the things I miss the most, to be honest, is to just be surrounded by people and seeing life around me. That's it for today. Also, one last thing, as always, I'm very curious to meet everyone who's watching my videos. So please shoot me an email at ruben@socialanimal.us and we'll arrange a FaceTime or something. That's it for today. See you next time.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Amazing. So actually we talked to him. So we talked to him earlier.
Oh, you did?
When you were in the bathroom.
Oh.
And he was like, oh, I'm on a date. Actually, like maybe like it would be nice if you talk to her. So then I was like, okay, we'll leave and we'll come back and we won't tell her that. So
You didn't tell me.
he wanted to see if you were going to be nice or if you were going to be like dismissive.
There's something called journalistic integrity.
Yeah.
I didn't want to ruin the process.
Yeah.
Oh, got it. No, I'm happy to. I was just like, where is this gonna go though? Yeah, but
That's it.
I'm happy to share. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you very much.
Thanks
Have
for
a good one.
Yep.
Well, you guys have a nice day.
You guys too.
Enjoy. Thank you so much. Enjoy the reunion.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're just asking people about their social life during the coronavirus. This is it.